How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolutely gorgeous 72 Chevelle Malibu SS. It's had a complete frame off restoration, painted its original platinum silver with black stripes. Beautiful paintwork on this car. I tell you, it's a tough looking car in this color. You see it's straight as an arrow down the sides. It is an all original body panel and floor car. Come out of Missouri. See, all the panel fitment on this car is very nice. The stripes are all buried and clear. You can't even feel them. Nice and smooth. Everything's sanded smooth. Bumpers have all been replaced. Super slick car, guys. It's got 18 by 9.5s in the rear. I tell you, that wheel looks so good on this car. I really like it. Just tough looking. It's got 17s up front, 17 by 8s. See all the chrome, parking lights, everything's very nice on this car. When they built this car, they did all the inner fender wells. The bottom of the hood is all the body color. Exceptionally nice. It's got a rebuilt 454, or I'm sorry, it's got a 396, it's 30 over, 360 horse. Beautiful car. It's got all the factory stickers in the door jamb there. You can see how clean the doors are. And that is the original door panels. These have not been replaced. Dash is perfect. They have put a new headliner in it. And the front and rear seat covers are new. But the door panels are the originals and they're in excellent shape. I would not replace them. It's got the SS steering wheel in it. Now this is a clone. Super nice car. Super nice car though, guys. It's hard to find one that's this nice of a body. And the paintwork on this car. See, the trunk's real nice. Got the original spare. Just a super nice car, and this thing got a thumping motor in it. This 396 just thumps. It's got 3-inch exhaust back to the mufflers with a 2.5-inch tailpipe out the back with all the correct bell tips. Just a super nice car, guys. Just get in this car, cruise it, enjoy it. You know, the bench seat, everybody you roll up, that car's nothing, but it's a heck of a sleeper, I'll tell you that. You'll hear it when we fire it up. And again, it's a 30 over 396. It's all been completely redone. Got a nice thumper cam, aluminum intake, Holley carb on it. It's got your power steering, power disc brake, I really like the way they finished the bottom of the hood off. Very, very nice, guys. A Fozzie 3/7 gear in the rear. They're just a super cool car, guys. Bumps out the exhaust real nice. Backup lights, everything works. Just a super, super cool car, guys. And I've driven this car quite a bit. It just goes on the road perfect. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.